It's 10 p.m. on a Tuesday. Meet Alex, a talented graphic designer, hunched over a laptop, eyes burning from the screen's glare. The client just requested a small tweak for the third time, another 2 hours of unpaid revisions. Alex is buried in emails, invoices, and endless project tabs. The freedom of freelancing now feels like a trap. He's trading time for money, and time is running out. Now meet Ben, a copywriter. At 10 p.m., Ben is reading a book, work long since finished. Earlier, he delivered a project that included not just copy, but a market analysis and a content strategy. The client was so impressed, they put him on retainer for strategic consulting. Ben isn't more talented or working longer hours than Alex. In fact, he works less. His secret? Leverage. Ben has built a system around his work, powered by a silent, strategic partner. Artificial intelligence, not just for writing blog posts, but for architecting a smarter, more scalable business. This isn't just a story, it's a crossroads every freelancer faces. You can keep hustling like Alex, trading every hour for a paycheck. Or you can become an operator like Ben, building a business that serves you. The difference isn't talent or experience, it's leverage. The tools are here. The opportunity is massive. Will you seize it before your competition does? The choice you make now will define your career, your income, and your freedom. Freelancing can be a trap or a launch pad. Which path will you choose? For years, freelancers were told, be the best at your craft, build a portfolio, outwork everyone. But the game has changed. Technology is rewriting the rules. Talent and experience matter, but they're no longer the main advantage. The real edge? Designing systems that multiply your output. Leverage. No matter how skilled you are, you only have 24 hours in a day. AI shatters that ceiling. With AI as your partner, you move from doer to architect, creating processes that run with or without you. AI doesn't replace talent. It replaces tedious manual workflows. The freelancers who refuse to adapt will be left behind. Those who embrace AI will thrive, delivering more value and building resilient, scalable businesses. The new differentiator is strategic leverage through AI. It's not about working faster, it's about working smarter, at a scale once impossible for solo freelancers. Shift from service provider to business owner. That's the future. There's a myth that AI is just a shortcut machine. Write a blog post in 30 seconds, generate 100 captions with one click, but focusing only on speed misses the point. The real power of AI isn't saving time, it's multiplying your impact. Saving an hour is linear. Using AI to deliver strategic insights is exponential. AI transforms you from a task doer to a high-value partner. Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. AI elevates you from efficiency to strategic effectiveness. It can be your research team, data analyst, and brainstorming partner. Free your creativity for the highest level problems, understanding clients, building relationships, making strategic decisions. Don't just use AI to do tasks faster. Use it to deliver new levels of value. That's the leap from freelancer to leveraged business owner. In this new landscape, freelancers fall into three categories: hustler, dabbler, or operator. The hustler, like Alex, relies on grit and long hours, seeing AI as a threat or a gimmick. Their income is tied to their time, and burnout is always looming. The dabbler experiments with AI, using ChatGPT for ideas or quick drafts, but only scratches the surface. AI is just a minor tune-up, not a core part of their business. The operator, like Ben, sees their freelance practice as a business system, with AI as the operating system. They use AI to automate workflows, research clients, and identify new services. Their mindset: how can technology build an asset that works for me? The goal is to evolve from hustler or dabbler to AI-first operator. It's not about being a tech expert, it's about shifting your thinking. See your services as products that can be systematized and scaled. The operator works on their business, not just in it. That's how you build a future-proof, scalable, and truly free freelance career. Which one are you, and which do you want to be? Most freelancers see AI as a tool for content creation, writing, images, emails, but that's just the surface. To gain a real edge, treat AI as your business brain strategist, researcher, and manager. Imagine having a junior strategist and analyst on call 24/7. Feed AI your client's website, social posts, and industry news. Ask it to act as their CMO and spot opportunities. Your proposals become strategic documents, not just quotes. AI can manage project plans, create folder structures, and draft onboarding emails. This isn't just about saving time, it's about flawless, repeatable processes. Offload the mental load, let AI handle the structure so you focus on relationships and creative problem solving. As a freelancer, you wear many hats. AI lets you focus on what matters most. That's the path to a more profitable, sustainable business. Make AI your business brain, not just your extra hands. To command premium fees, stop being just a service provider, become an indispensable partner. Service providers execute tasks, partners help clients achieve business goals. The AI-first operator uses AI to anticipate client needs and offer strategic insights. For example, a web developer can use AI to analyze audience data and critique wireframes for conversion. Instead of just delivering a web page, you deliver strategy. Here's how we can boost conversions by 15%. You move from coder to consultant. This approach applies everywhere. Social media managers use AI to spot content gaps. Video editors use it to analyze retention and suggest improvements. Use AI as an analytical engine to uncover insights clients miss. Bring proactive, data-backed ideas to the table. That's how you become a partner. Clients can't afford to lose. Don't just take orders. Deliver business value. That's the operator's edge. Make yourself indispensable. Many freelancers chase freedom but end up trapped by their own workflows. True freedom comes from building systems, repeatable processes that scale. AI is the ultimate tool for designing and executing these systems. Take client onboarding. Most freelancers juggle emails and manual steps. The AI-first operator automates it all. Welcome emails, folder setup, timelines, and agendas. Your only job: review and send. Systemization extends to delivery. A podcast editor can use AI prompts to automate editing, summaries, and social clips. Each new project isn't a blank slate, it's a system. These systems become business assets, not just tasks. You increase capacity and can take on more clients without more hours. Your business becomes more valuable and even sellable. You're not just selling time, you're selling the output of a machine. That's the ultimate leverage. Build your freedom machine. Why does one writer charge $100 for an article and another $2,000? It's not just the words, it's the value stacked on top. AI lets you transform a simple service into a high-value package without extra effort. Write a blog post, that's the base. Use AI for SEO research, social posts, summaries, and newsletters. Suddenly you're selling a complete content package. The extra work takes minutes, but the value multiplies. Clients pay for solutions, not just tasks. This works for any field. Designers deliver logos, plus mock-ups, and style guides. Consultants deliver reports, plus summaries and action plans. Stop selling the task. Use AI to stack value and sell high-ticket solutions. That's how you justify premium pricing. Make your offer irresistible. Let AI help you deliver more, for more. Ready to become an AI-first operator? Here's your 3-step plan. Step 1. Identify your biggest bottleneck. Track your time for a week. Where do you lose the most hours to repetitive, non-billable work? Don't fix everything at once. Pick the one thing that would free up the most time or energy. Step 2. Find one AI tool or prompt to systematize it. If proposals are your bottleneck, use AI to research and generate templates. If onboarding is the issue, create a prompt to automate your sequence. Focus on building a repeatable process. Step 3. Expand and scale. Once you've systematized one area, tackle the next bottleneck. Use your freed up time to keep building systems. Move from proposals to delivery, from content creation to reporting. One process at a time, transform your business into a streamlined AI-powered system. You don't need to do it all overnight. Start small, build momentum, and watch your business evolve. That's the path to true leverage and true freedom. Exciting news! My AI prompt pack for freelancers drops December 26. Don't miss it. Subscribe to Grow Wealth Daily for more tools and tips to level up your freelance game.